Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things product reviews. Today, we're diving into a must-have item for every household. The VPMURUGA Nano Streak-Free Magic Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. Now, let me tell you why these are the best window cleaning towels you can get your hands on. First off, these cloths are designed to perfection. Made from high-quality microfiber material, they're not just any ordinary cleaning cloths. They're nano streak-free miracle workers. Whether you're tackling windows, mirrors, car windshields, or stainless steel surfaces, these cloths get the job done with ease. Plus, their unique fish scale design ensures that dust, dirt, and smudges are whisked away in no time. But wait, there's more. With a pack of 6 in assorted colors, including blue, pink, and gray, you'll have plenty on hand for all your cleaning needs. And don't just take my word for it, customers are raving about these cloths. With over 4,700 ratings and an average of 4.5 stars, it's clear that these cloths are a hit. But perhaps the best part? These cloths are not only effective, but they're also eco-friendly and reusable. Say goodbye to wasteful paper towels and hello to a more sustainable cleaning solution. So, whether you're tackling household chores, cleaning up after pets, or giving your car a much-needed shine, the VPMURUGA Nano Streak-Free Magic Microfiber Cleaning Cloths have got you covered. And that's a wrap for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning!